Well, here's the latest on the 1997 Gulshan Kumar murder case. Bombay High Court upholds the trial court verdict. Conviction of Rauf merchant upheld. The conviction upheld for murder charge. Conviction of Rauf merchant upheld for 302 and 307 of Indian Penal Code. Rauf merchant's conviction continues as he fled the parole and continued with his criminal activities. Santhya Gora joining us on the phone line with more input. So Santhya, over to you for the latest details on this big breaking news information coming in here at this hour of the conviction of Gulshan Kumar murder accused now being upheld.
Yes, Afrida. So totally, if we talk about this particular murder case, two important things were actually supposed to be heard by Bombay High Court, which the court did. One was actually Rauf merchant, the main assassin, his plea challenging his own conviction. He was actually convicted for murder of Gulshan Kumar in 2002. After that, he jumped a parole and was absconding for years before re-arrested by the cops. So his conviction for murder is upheld. He was actually sentenced with life imprisonment in 2002. But there was another appeal which was filed by state government that was challenging the acquittal of Ramesh Taurani, music composer Ramesh Taurani of Tips Industries. In 2002, when Rauf merchant was convicted, Ramesh Taurani was acquitted. So state government approached Bombay High Court and challenged his acquittal. But today, that plea of state government was dismissed, which means that Ramesh Taurani stands acquitted. So two important developments: Rauf merchant, the main assassin, stands convicted, and Ramesh Taurani of Tips Industries, Afrida, he stands acquitted.
Right. Okay. So that information, of course, is going to be extremely critical at the moment. But if you can give us the timeline of events, Santhya, of this big case. We are talking about 1997 Gulshan Kumar murder case. There have been a few issues with the accused as he fled parole and he continued his criminal activities. What do we know about Ramesh Taurani's track record? Okay, I'm afraid we lost the line with Santhya there. We'll try and get more information on this. Bombay High Court has upheld the conviction of Rauf merchant in the murder case of Gulshan Kumar, the founder of T-Series. His conviction for murder of Kumar is upheld. In fact, we'll try and track this story further in course of our bulletin.